But you're also going to get email. You can change your email provider and let Zoho Mail be your email provider. And use that if you want it. So whoever you're paying for your email now, get rid of it. Email. Zoho Books. This is a full accounting program. You can move your accounts to Zoho One and make Zoho Books your accounting platform. So if you're using QuickBooks or Sage or ClearBooks like I do, you can move it and don't have to pay them anymore. Zoho Projects is a project management platform. This is where once you've gone from your sale or any project you've got to do, you can create a project inside obviously Zoho Projects and start tracking all the things to do to get this project done. You can assign it to outside users, tasks. You can let your customers come in and see how you're getting on with their projects. You know, like if you're a web designer or something, you can say, this is where I am with your website. These are the things I've got left to do. Can you check off this? This is the thing you need to provide me. Zoho Projects, really easy. Zoho Desk, this is your customer support ticketing system. So you'll have a email, something like support@yourdomain.com. People can email a request and you can create a ticket, or there'll be a form on your website, or some way people can raise. You actually have a customer support portal, a community, and a knowledge base. So if you've got frequently asked questions and someone types in the live chat, you can actually show them, is this the answer to your question? So it's your customer support ticketing system is Zoho Desk. Zoho Sales IQ. This is live chat on your website. This is a little box. You know when you go to a website, a little box pops up. Hello, how can I help you? This is giving you the ability to talk to people live, answer their questions live, and interact with them, and then also track it through your CRM. And on the CRM, you can see how many times they've come to your website, what pages they've gone to, and any interactions on Zoho Sales IQ. So that is the live online chat. I think converts a lot of sales if you can jump on and say, I can see you're checking out this holiday at so-and-so, if you're a travel agent. Any questions I can help you with on this holiday or this product or this live chat, right? I think that top line is already great value. Next is Zoho Sign. And the reason I've bumped this, a lot of people might not see this as one of the major apps, but I've put it right underneath the CRM. This is your e-document signing service. So if you sell something, you sell a contract, you sell some sort of maintenance contract, or it's a quote you want to sign off on, you can e-document send it and they can sign off, like e-doc. Zoho Sign will then, please sign this, you sign this, and you've got a contract. Very, very, very powerful, very easy to use. Zoho Bookings is showing your calendar and allowing people to book spaces, allowing people to book meetings, allowing people to book appointments. Got to think that you're replacing things like Calendly and Acuity Scheduling here. So it's a scheduling app that you can say, here's my available appointments. Here's a web page where you send your customers to, book an appointment, see my times, or you send them an email, click this link to see what times, let's schedule a call, right? Zoho Click is your inter-office communication messenger service. It's your replacement for something like Slack, where you can just, instead of constantly sending emails, you can just bump a little message to somebody and they can reply. You can call them. You'll see it down here. Look, see this? Chats. Anybody in your business, you'll be able to jump on and send them a message. That is Click. There's also an app where there's certain things, certain projects, certain... imagine you've got something that you've got to... there it says summer barbecue. Someone's got to organise a summer barbecue. Maybe there's 3 people and you're going to organise it together in a chat. It's very cool. Inter-office messenger. Zoho Connect, another cool app. Think inter-office social media, inter-office Facebook, where you can write your status. Hey guys, what's everybody working on? Or softball team's playing tomorrow, or softball team got beat. It's, imagine Facebook inside privately. What's everybody been up to? Also, you can put documents, manuals. You can create little mini groups for departments. But it's an inter-office social media, you can also create external for your customers a social media platform for them to come into as well. And they can come in and ask for stuff. Very cool. Zoho Backstage is event management. This is if you've got a expo on, or you've got some sort of event, or if you're selling bulk holidays or bulk ticket events. This is a ticketing system to sell that then gives people itineraries. It lets people into certain areas. They can check in when they get there. You can then message the whole people saying this is what's going on. Really, really cool I think for travel agents selling group deals or setting up travel group. If you've got 12 golfers going somewhere, you could say, here's your page, here's your itinerary, here's the time you've got to be there, here's the time you're playing, here's your dinner time, your breakfast. It's 150 quid, buy your ticket. Really, really easy to use, really cool. Zoho Checkout, I've clicked on it. Zoho Checkout is a really easy checkout system that you put on your website, or you share the link. Here's somebody owes you some money, here's the checkout, 50 quid, type it in, send you 50 quid, 100 quid, whatever. You set up the page, email a customer to send you the money. Zoho Invoice, probably if you're using Zoho Books, you wouldn't use it, but if you're going to stay with your other accounting program, then you can just create invoices from within Zoho and then put them inside your other accounting program. So you may not use it, but it's just an easier way of sending somebody an invoice to then maybe go into checkout and paying it. And it also tracks obviously through the CRM and everything like that. Zoho Inventory, tracking your stock, tracking your literally your stock, your inventory. How many have we got in? Where did it go? Which customers bought it? Which supplier does it come from? Profit and loss and all those things. Really easy to use again. Zoho Subscriptions. If you're like a membership, some sort of membership company, I work a lot with security companies. They might have maintenance programs which are 50 quid a month or £100 a year, or some sort of subscription. Or if you're a gym, 35 quid a month to join your gym, or you're an online coach, £20 a month for your whatever. It's managing your subscriptions, managing what people will pay you on a recurring basis, right? Zoho Sites, creating a website for your business. If you go to z1trial.com, that is a Zoho site. In fact, if I go to it, z1trial.com, and we're into a website now. We're into tracking leads and doing things like that. So z1trial.com is a Zoho site. So you can build your own websites, right? Marketing Hub, I still haven't got my teeth fully into Marketing Hub, but it's a really powerful app that will track people into your website, will track your leads, track what they clicked on, track if they went to a goal. So say you had a page on your website where you want people to come on a landing page, go through to information and go to the sale page and buy. Marketing Hub will track that process and show you where people fall off, show you what's happening, track who's logged in, and then obviously the goal is to get the purchase, and then they will put that information in your CRM, and you can email and do things through that. Because I haven't got a website or a need to do it, I haven't dived in it fully, but a lot of people are asking me about a Marketing Hub. PageSense is a little bit the same, tracking stats to your website and things like that. Where do people go? What do people click on? Where do people exit? Zoho Social, another big app that's going to save you something like Hootsuite or whatever social media scheduling you are using, you can get rid of, because Zoho Social will post to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and you can schedule it, and anybody in your team can post, and then you can see what's coming down the line. You can interact with Twitter and Facebook. It's a while since I've actually looked at it. Anybody messaging you on those pages will go into your CRM, and you can start connecting with them directly through your CRM, and you'll see the trail of discussion, but really good for posting to multiple social networks at the same time. Zoho Survey and Zoho Forms. Zoho Survey is send out a survey to your customers. What can we do better? What can What's your feedback? What's your process? How can we improve? Or just a survey on your website. Put a form up. Here's a